Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we have a high altitude, cold weather MRE. This is a United States MRE. It's also known as a M.O.R.E, a modular operational ration enhancement. These are not meals, these are a high energy snack. And it's made by Sapaco, and it has an inspection date of 2016. So let's open it up and see what we have. What we have is cheddar cheese pretzels. And that has a date of 133rd day of 2013. We have a mixed berry energy gel. We got a nut fruit mix. It says it has raw sunflower kernels and infused fruit. Next thing we have is a toaster pastry. It says it's frosted brown sugar. Here we have caffeinated chocolate pudding. So this has 220 calories. I'm trying to see how much caffeine. Wow. It has 230 megs of caffeine per serving. And this is a little paper that showed you what was in it. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, let's start with the nut fruit mix. We have some peanuts and sunflower seeds. Looks like we got some, I don't know, I'm not sure if that's a raisin or cranberry. Got almonds. Got a little bit of everything in there. Okay, so moving on. Got the cheddar cheese pretzels. And then the next thing, let's get into the frosted brown sugar. The Kellogg's Pop-Tart. And do not microwave in this pouch. I wonder how many people try to microwave it in the pouch. I remember when I was a little kid, this was my favorite. Get it all together. I'm still making a mess here. Okay, and then the next thing we have is the energy gel. Let me give that a good smush. All right. And of course we're going to use the ForeignMRE.com spork. Okay, and this is the mixed berry gel. It's got a really, wow, a really strong odor of strawberry. And mainly strawberry. I'm sure there's some other berries in there, but it mainly smells like strawberry. So let's give this a taste. You can definitely taste the caffeine, but it tastes like strawberry and just can't really describe it, but it's very good. Let's try the nuts. And there I got a piece of walnut, some peanuts, got a sunflower seed. Smells really fresh, really good. And I'm not sure what this is. It looks like maybe a cranberry and a raisin. So let's give this a try. Definitely a cranberry and a raisin. Let's try the brown sugar. Kellogg's Pop-Tart. Very good. You can taste the brown sugar. It's not overly sweet, but there's not a lot of filling in this for some reason. And here we have the Cheddar Pretzels, and as you can see, filled with some kind of cheddar cheese. Let's give that a try. Oh yeah, you can see the cheese on the inside. Very good. Then we'll try the Caffeinated Pudding, and I'm looking forward to trying that. Try not to make a mess. You guys know how I am. And I still made a mess. All right. Looks good. Looks like chocolate pudding, dark brown. Wow. That is very good. Let me open that a little bit more. And this is very good. Tastes like rich chocolate. Definitely, man, that's great. I'm sure this will give you a lot of energy with the caffeine that's in there. So, we got the nuts. I give that a 10. Very fresh. Got the mixed berry energy gel. Man, I have to give this probably a 9. It tastes good. I'm sure it's got a lot of caffeine in there. Then the Kellogg's Pop-Tart. Man, these are always good, especially with the ones with the frosting on the outside. I give that 10. The Cheddar Pretzels, I've had these before in other meals. They're pretty good. I give them about an 8. But then the chocolate pudding, the caffeinated chocolate pudding, I give it a 10. And man, just really rich chocolate. It's not overly sweet, but you can taste the caffeine in there. And again, this is not an MRE. This is just a high energy snack. So that's gonna be it for the M.O.R.E. High altitude, cold weather. This was package number 1. Hope you enjoy the video. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration because we only sell foreign rations. But you can get your fresh discounted foreign ration at ForeignMRE.com.